Hey, thanks for reaching out to me. So you asked me to do number 2. Alrighty, so let's take a look at this. So the first thing, it gives us dA is 4x plus 6. Well, dA is that segment right there. And we are told DC is 8. DC is that segment right there. Well, these are, notice A and C are 1 point on the circle. So what we know is DA and DC are tangent segments. So DA equals DC. The yellow segment equals the green segment. Oh, don't know why that happened. So when we do this, we are going to say dA 4x plus 6 equals DC, which is 8. 4x, I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So 4x equals 2. I don't know why I wrote 4. I just had a huge brain fart. 4x equals 2. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 2 over 4. And when I plug that into Desmos, I get 0.5. So that's what you should have gotten for number 2. You should have gotten 0.5. Now on number 3, we're told arc EF is 84, angle 1 is 82, and we want to find arc GH. Alrighty, so we're given arc EF. So I'm going to start at E, and I'm going to go to F. We're told angle 1. And we want to find GH. What tells me how to set this one up is that the angle is inside the circle, and we have 2 arcs. Anytime that is the situation, I know angle equals half arc plus arc. So when I set this up, my angle is in green. One of the arcs that I want to find is blue, and the other arc is yellow. So let's go ahead and just put in our numbers. Green, we highlighted green, that's 82. That equals 1/2 of the blue arc. Well, that's what I'm trying to find. Plus the yellow arc, which is 84. Now, if I'm solving this, I could distribute the half into the parentheses, but then I get half x. I'm not a huge fan of getting half x. So instead of distributing into the parentheses, I am going to clear the fraction by multiplying everything by 2, the denominator. So 82 times 2 gives me 164. 2 times 1/2, that half cancels out. That's the whole reason I multiplied by 2. And that leaves me with x plus 84. We are now going to subtract 84 from both sides. Minus 84, minus 84. And so then we find out x equals 80. And then let me just double check that that was the answer for number 3 that they wanted. And it was. Boom, I always like to double check because sometimes the answers in Canvas are wrong. All right, so if you got any questions, please let me know, and I'll, of course, be glad to help you. Thank you again for reaching out, and let me know.